Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to create a CapCut account on your iPhone. So first thing you have to do now is just go open the CapCut application, and after that you just need to go into the Me section, this part. And after that, if you haven't have any account yet, there will be several options. Either you want to sign in with a TikTok account or a Google account, email, Facebook, and Apple account. So it's just all up to you which one who comforts you to sign in with your account. For me, I would like to sign in with the Google, so you just need to go click this Google, and after that you just need to follow in all of the instructions here. So now you will have an access to choose an account that you want to use to log in or sign in into the CapCut. Just need to go click this and enter the password. After you're done, just need to go click done and click next. And now you just need to follow all of the instruction here, entering your birthday, date, and after you're done, now you already have a account on your CapCut. So that's all. That's the way how to create a CapCut account. If you find that this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.